Okay, next we're going to install our bridge board in between these sideboards. So I'm going to locate the bridge board here, and you'll know the bridge board because it will have some warning labels on the top of the bridge board, and also if you've ordered lights, it will have holes for the lights, and there is one buildup of solid wood on what is going to be the back of it. My assistant and I now also have a Phillips screwdriver for installing these, and what we're going to do is I'm going to install this with this buildup up, so this buildup, and then of course you'll notice that the stickers are also up. And we're going to rotate these sideboards now up onto their finished edge, onto this finished edge here. And then I'm going to line this sideboard up with the bridge board. And I'll just slip those cam fittings onto the connecting bolt necks like so. And I'm going to hold it in place while I take my Phillips screwdriver. And I'm just going to give that a good half turn to tighten that down. And then my assistant Brandon will be doing the same thing on the other side. The other side will only have 3 of these cam fittings, and that's correct, so that this can't be put in upside down or backwards.